So I now found out that what they did not understand the difference between nationality, citizenship, and indigenous identity of a people living in the country. See, they didn't understand that. Well, maybe I don't blame them. They are not lawyers, perhaps. But I know the difference between indigenous identity of a people living in a country. That is why when I was writing this book, fortunately, that was actually the time the United Nations passed the law, which we call the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. That was why I now coined the name Indigenous People of Biafra. You will see it in this book how I coined that name. It was actually in the year the United Nations passed that law, the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. So making it clear that indigenous peoples of the land have rights